Magandang hapon, Pilipinas at buong mundo. Naitay Kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa lahat po ng nanonood sa atin sa Facebook at YouTube, maraming salamat. Sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa DZWB, welcome to the program. It's an important day today. Ngayong araw po ay Gabby Garcia Day. Dahil she just renewed her contract with the Kapuso Network at makakasama ho natin siya ngayong hapon para ipagdiwang ang kanyang araw. Naitay Kapuso, please welcome Gabby Garcia.
Grabe naman yung Gabby Garcia Day, Tito Boy.
Oo, di ba?
Happy birthday to me.
Oo, parang, pero kinaya ko.
Yes.
Well-deserved.
Thank you, Tito Boy.
It's Gabby Garcia Day. And please, you have been with GMA7 for over 10 years now.
Yes, 11 years.
11 years. Fast forward to today, Gabby Garcia Day. How does that feel?
Oh, wow. I feel like my 15-year-old self from 11 years ago is screaming and telling herself na, yes, I made it.
Ito talaga yung gusto mo?
Mag-artista.
Mag-artista.
You know what, during my early years, Tito Boy, hindi ko alam na mag-artista ako. Ang gusto ko talaga is maging piloto and maging beauty queen. Yan ang gusto ko.
Okay.
But then, nakita din ng parents ko na parang bibukid ako. Lagi ako sumasali sa contest. Tapos, audition ako ng audition. Gusto kong nagpo-perform sa harapan ng crowd. And then eventually, naging artista nga ako.
Strong indicators na doon ka papunta. What
Yes.
are you looking forward to?
I am looking forward to growing, to hosting more shows. I really love hosting now. And to just really continue reinventing myself in this industry. Kasi hirap eh. Kasi you just can't stay the same the whole time. You have to constantly reinvent yourself para maiba naman.
And you're excellent in both. And that's a blessing. To be able to do acting and to be able to do hosting.
Yes. Ito
That's a blessing.
I am
Pero
blessed.
magbabalik tanaw tayo dahil Gabby Garcia Day, balikan natin ang kwento. Bahagya, parte ng mga kwento ni Gabby. And we're going to use photos in our storytelling.
Oh my gosh!
Let's go to...
Nay! Napaka-nene! Oh
Ano
my
ito? What is the
goodness.
story?
This is called My Destiny. I am on a wheelchair. It's my first ever teleserye. Alam mo ba kung anong kwento niyan, Tito Boy?
Okay.
Hindi ako dapat nakast talaga sa show na yan. I was just there for a couple of weeks as the sister of Sid Lucero, of Kuya Timmy. And then, nagkaroon ng chemistry yung dati naming love team ni Ruru, yung Gabru. Nagkaroon ng following. So, na-retain ako sa show. Naging regular ako dun sa show. But I wasn't supposed to be regular kasi I was barely like 2 months in GMA that time. Kaya tuloy nung na-regular ako sa show na yan, hindi pa ako marunong umarte, hindi pa ako fully like nahasa as an artista. Parang nasalang ako by accident.
Pero kaya ka po na si Ruru, oh.
Oh, di ba? 15 years old lang ako niyan, Tito Boy.
And that's an intense scene.
Yes. So parang ang daming naging biglaan ang nangyari in the early days of my career. That's why people were asking, sino yan? Bigla na lang siyang nag-appear. Saan siya galing? Pero yun nga talaga yung kwento. Hindi kasi ako dapat talaga regular sa show na yan.
Sa pagkakaalam mo, at this point, malihis lang ako ng konti. Nililigawan ka na ni Ruru noon? Hindi pa?
Hindi.
15?
No,
wala pang nagpaparamdam?
Wala pa.
Hindi mo siya crush? Hindi kanya crush?
Hindi, wala pa.
Parang bumaba ang boses mo.
Why are we talking about this stuff?
No, it's just interesting because the chemistry is palpable. Nararamdaman mo, di ba, mga bata?
Cutie teenage chemistry.
Sige, so that's the story. Let's go to the next video or photo. Wow!
Ayan na siya.
What is the story?
This is my favorite role, Elena, in Encantadia. I auditioned for the role, I was 16. I got the role, I was 17. I turned 18 on the show. So, medyo matagal yung duration and I was super nene when I did it. I was just 17 years old when I did the show and people are surprised kasi nga it was such a challenging role at 17. Pero I really grew throughout the show. I learned so much and it opened so many doors for me, this character.
And it was a huge hit.
It was.
Di ba?
Was. Until now, actually, grabe pa rin ang fans ng Encantadia, Tito Boy. And until now, whenever I go out, they still call me Alena! Ganyan. So talagang...
Pag-uusapan natin yan.
Oo, memorable talaga
Si
siya.
Alena. Okay. Ganda. Okay. Let's go to the next one.
Ah, yes. That was such a big opportunity for both networks and for
Laki.
myself, too. I learned so much, Tito Boy. I learned so much. Ang daming na-unlock sa akin. And it was directed by Manny Palo,
Yes.
whom I super love. Hi, Direct Manny.
As an actor, ang daming nagbukas.
Na-stretch talaga ako, na-challenge ako. And it made me really think and realize how much I love this industry. Because you can really learn from everybody.
Yes.
And yun yung parang it opened so much doors kasi ito yung unang collaboration ng ABS and GMA, Tito
And
Boy.
View.
And View. And imagine now, I'm doing PBB.
Right.
So it has opened so many doors for not just for the artistas but for all the staff, the production, the audience even. My gosh, ang network war finally nagtapos na.
And you learn from collaborations.
That's true, Tito Boy. That's why walang talo talaga pag may nagko-collab. Walang talo. Lahat panalo.
And then let's go to PBB.
Yes, PBB.
Okay.
Nakakolab ulit. Diyos ko, niloloko na ako. May mga nababasa na akong comments. Bakit ba laging si Gabi ang pinapadala pag collab? Hindi ko rin alam, Tito
Hindi ako,
Boy.
akin to, this is mine, ha?
Yes.
This is my observation. Parang paborito ka ng Channel 7 at ng GMA 7 at saka ng ABS.
Naku, Tito Boy, kakasign ko lang. Baka magalit yung mga netizen.
No, but you are the, you are the consistent common star that both,
I feel like din kasi
cast
I'm
in-
no stranger also sa ABS. I have a lot of friends from ABS and
Tama.
also maybe I'm a people person also. Like I like conversing with people. That's why I easily get along with both networks. Maybe that's also a factor. And ayun, or maybe talagang gustong-gusto ko siya.
Totoo yan.
Yeah,
Totoo yan.
namamanifest
Totoo yan.
ko siya.
Totoo yan.
Ganon.
Dahil gustong-gusto mo. Pero ito talaga, ito mga poses mong ganito. Paano yun? Do you, tingnan mo.
Paano yan,
Tayo
Tito
ka.
Boy?
I mean, do you study
Siyempre,
this?
onding ganyan lang yan.
Bonito, Jay, halika nga dito.
Ganon.
Ano yan? Do you study that or is that
Alam mo,
spontaneous?
Tito Boy, ever since bata ako, maarte na ako. So, bata pa lang ako. Yes,
Okay.
bata pa lang ako. Asan yung camera ko? Yan.
Yeah.
Pumupost-post na ako ng ganyan sa harapan ng
Ako naman nakikigano'n.
salamin.
Oo.
Kasi dapat alam mo kung saan ka ba maganda yung angulo mo. Like
From
for
the
me,
very beginning, did you know your angle?
I learned about it throughout my journey in show business. Kasi parang pag nasa kanan ako, bakit mas maliit yung braso ko pag nakaganito? Kasi i-extend ko yung leeg ko, mas mukha akong mahaba. Ganon.
Kaya gumaganon
Lagi
ka.
nakaganyan.
Alright.
Yes, para mukha kang mahaba.
Ang dami mong emosyon na pinagdadaanan sa pamamagitan lamang ng mga poses.
Yes.
Can you try that?
Sure,
na
Tito
pictorial.
Boy.
Ako ang
Okay.
1, 2, 3, pose. 1, 2, 3, pose. Okay, now.
Ganon.
Bonito Jay, are you ready? Dito ka. Dito ka, okay?
Tapos samahan mo ako, Tito Boy.
Hindi nga ako kasama, nakikiganon ako eh. Okay, sige. So let's
Okay.
start. 1, 2, 3, pose. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Ay, ang ganda. Ang daming poses.
Kailangan lagi kang may baon ng mga default pose mo para anytime may camera, shook, ganon.
Oo, saka may mga palingon-lingon na gano'n. Ganda. No, but I noticed that with a lot of stars, not just here, but even in Hollywood, they love that pose. Yung nakatalikod, tapos
Tapos
biglang
may
lilingon.
paganyan.
Why is that so? Bakit?
Kasi parang may grand entrance ka eh. Parang,
okay.
parang nagpapakilala ka, parang, hello, ako si Gabi.
Okay.
Ganon.
May buwelo.
May ganon, Tito Boy, may
Yung
buwelo.
pala ang sikreto
For more audience
niyan.
impact.
Oo. And also, Gabby, hindi naman lingid sa ating mga kasamahan dito sa GMA7 that we work together privately.
Yes,
Tayong
Tito
dalawa.
Boy.
Nais ko
And
na-
I appreciate it, Tito
I
Boy. Oh my God,
appreciate
can
you
I just
also.
say?
Pero, ang gusto ko malaman ng tao, you work so hard.
Aww.
You have a drive, you know that vibe. You have that drive that no one can ever distract.
Oh, I'm
Pag may ginusto ka, ito yun.
Yeah.
I wanna do more. Itong gutom, Gabs, itong hunger is necessary in this business. Saan ang gagaling ito?
Wait lang, thank you, Tito Boy. Kinilig naman ako sa lahat ng sinabi mo. Grabe, iilan lang kayo nagsasabi niya sa akin, so it really means a lot. Well, anyway, kung saan siya galing, I think I'm just really passionate with my craft. I think, eto, no showbiz and everything, or anything, I really love my job.
Yeah.
I really like what I'm doing. I really I'm really enjoying with this industry, with how I converse with everybody, and how I'm learning from you. I'm genuinely having the best time of my life doing all these things. That's why I constantly want to improve. I want to make sure that I am not shortchanging people who are supporting me, people who are trusting me. For example, today I just signed my contract. GMA is trusting me. I don't want to let them down. So it's not just all for myself. I'm also making sure that I am not shortchanging everybody who trusts me.
Ganda. Because you want to be fair with everyone.
Yes.
Binibigyan ka ng tiwala, ibibigay ko sa inyo.
Yes, parang, di ba, pinagkakatiwalaan nila, galingan mo ng galingan mo.
And that's what you do. Alam mo, every time we do our mentoring sessions, for example, hindi madali yung, can you go to the first line? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the show. Gabby, can you do it again? Good evening, give me another texture. Good evening, ladies. Gabby, you memorize the first lines.
Yeah.
Not a hint of, pagod na ako, not a hint of, alam ko na yon. Ang gaan mong i-mentor.
Ay, naiiyak
No,
ako!
totoo yun.
Thank you,
Can I
Tito
tell you
Bo.
something? That's why Bianca Gonzalez is one of the best.
Yeah.
To this very day. Alam mo nung nagbukas ang PBB, parang ikaw.
Naiiyak ako.
Oo, totoo yun.
Birthday ko ba? Tito Boy?
I just want to let you know because we don't have the time. Hindi naman natin napapag-usapan ang mga ito
Yeah.
pag tayo nagse-sessions. But I truly appreciate it because I want people to understand na you are where you are today, not by accident. You work so hard.
Yeah, thank you, Tito Boy. Oh my God. And I love learning from you.
Oh,
I
yeah.
love learning
Thank
from
you.
you. I love learning.
No, ako naman, I love mentoring you kasi ang bukas na bukas ka. But
Tito
look at
Boy.
you today.
I know.
Di ba? Pag kayo ba nagkakasama ni Robbie, naalala niya si Gretchen mo?
Tito Boy nga sinasabi ko, ako lang to ha.
Gretchen's a good friend.
Yeah.
Pero nakakatuwa, no? And then, andyan ka na, sila Bianca and everybody, Melay.
And they're also like, especially Ate B and Robbie, they've been guiding me since day one.
Galing, no?
Yeah. And
One day, you're going to do that to others.
Wow!
Di ba?
Yeah,
Dadating
I
ang
hope
araw
so,
na
I
yan.
hope so.
Oo, but your PBB stint will linger for a long, long time.
And I'm so attached to it, Tito Boy. Sana marami pang collabs because I'm so attached to it.
Right, and it shows. I mean, the excitement is there.
Yeah.
Okay? So, right now, it's time to do Fast Talk. All right, Gabby. Magandang umaga, magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Shine, sparkle.
Sparkle.
Loyal kapuso, loyal girlfriend.
Both.
Bahay ni Kuya, bahay ni Khalil.
Bahay ni Kulin.
Acting, hosting.
Hosting.
Corona o acting award.
Corona.
Love team or no love team?
No love team.
No kilay, no lipstick.
No, no lipstick.
Maarte, madiskarte.
Madiskarte at
Kikay,
mate.
pabebe.
Kikay.
Strong woman, sweet girl.
Strong woman.
Most jologs na ginawa mo.
Jologs. Oh my God, lahat. Yung ano ko, actingin ko sa house guest ko sa PBB.
Most social na hilig mo.
Shucks! Kumain sa degustasyon.
Most used app on your phone.
IG.
Most used emoji.
Yung sparkle.
Most favorite na ka-eksena mo.
Ka-eksena ko, most favorite, Ate Jody, Santa Maria.
Most favorite teleserye na nagawa mo.
Encantadia.
Mas mahirap, walang tulog, walang kain.
Walang kain.
Mas masarap, halik o yakap.
Halik.
Mas nakakatakot, walang career, walang kalil.
Walang kalil.
Mas wish mo magka-acting award o magka-talk show.
Magka-talk show.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolate?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Always.
Message to yourself, ano ito?
Message for myself, you did so well. Everything that you have done in the past till present shaped you for who you are right now. I am proud of you.
Just as we are so proud of you. Kanina, napag-usapan natin ang hosting. You are an actor of consequence. Napakahusay mo. Kanina namin napapag-usapan ito, I wanna try acting with you. Mamaya-maya po yan. Kay ba ni Khalil, kahit papano, name-mention na ang kasal, ang kasagutan sa pagbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. We're back on the show. Kasama ho natin Gabby Garcia. It's a Gabby Garcia day. Asarap pakinggan, di ba?
Oo nga.
No, but pag nag-uusap kayo ni Khalil, meron na ba? I mean,
Marriage?
napapag-usapan na, nadadaanan na ba?
Of course,
Yeah.
of course, Tito Boy. Oo naman. It's not like a secret in our relationship. And
You've been
we're very
together for
open
how long?
about it. 8 years.
Oo, 8 years
We're
na.
very open about it. Every time, kasi nasa era kami ngayon, Tito Boy, puro kasal ng kaibigan pinupuntahan namin.
Oh.
May iilan lang na binyag. Pero mostly like engagement parties, kasal. So nasa era din kami ng mga friends namin. Ganun yung season.
Dynamics niyo ni Khalil as artists, kumusta? I mean,
As artists.
as artists, I mean, do you talk about craft? Do you talk about,
yeah, we do.
okay ka doon, hindi ka dito okay, tanggapin mo? May ganun?
Yes, we do. I always make him watch all my hostings, my actings also even. I make him comment, likewise sa akin din, ganun din ako sa kanya. But you know what I discovered is we are two very different artists.
How different?
His process is different, my process is different.
Oh.
Ako, I work well under pressure. He can't.
He prepares.
He prepares. He has to have a certain time to prepare. Ako, I can function under pressure. I like it actually whenever I'm under pressure. I like it when I'm hosting live. I get excited whenever the FD tells me to stretch. Whenever the FD tells me to stretch, yes, it's my time to chika.
No.
Ganon.
And when you fall, rise.
Yes.
And learn
You
from
will
it.
know how to troubleshoot on the spot, which I love.
Ganda. I love that word. Troubleshoot.
Troubleshoot.
On the spot.
Yes.
Diba? ang ganda. Pagdating sa acting, Gabby, kanina nga sabi ko, tayo nag-host, etc. We've been talking about hosting, but not acting. Ngayon
Yes.
gusto naming subukan kasi Chang Susan, the scene is that sa isang beauty contest, ako ang organizer.
Okay.
Tapos, ang nanalo si Chang Susan. And you're here complaining dahil parang nagkamali ang computation and you're accusing us actually of rigging the results. Parang ganon.
Okay.
Oo.
Interesting.
So, yun ang
Okay.
Chang Susan, dito ka.
Bida kontra bida, I love it. Ako yung
Oo.
kontra bida.
Ikaw naman, paganda ka ng paganda kasi ikaw ang winner, di ba? Nandiyan pa ang corona. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, bilangan mo kayo.
Rolling, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Oh, you look beautiful.
Excuse me.
You look beautiful.
Excuse me.
Yes?
I believe that there has been a major mistake.
Ano pinagsasabi nito? Walang mistake dito.
Dapat sa akin yung koronang yan at hindi sa'yo. Sa tingin mo sino ka?
Lumaban
Sa
ka.
tingin mo sino ka para kunin yung corona na dapat sa akin? Isa ka lang hampas lupa dito sa... Umusog ka dito.
Laban ka.
Umusog ka! Wala ka bang ibang sasabihin? Ha? Lumayas ka! Layas!
Salamat, Chang Susan.
Thank you, Chang Susan.
It's so much fun. Miss Universe Philippines, are you still open to joining,
Remember our conversation, Tito
I know.
Boy, when I called you? And I was
know.
like, Tito Boy, should I join or should I not?
Oo. Nandiyan pa rin ba yung thought na yon?
I'm turning 27 this year, so it would have been the perfect time to join, right? Pero nga kasi I've been saying that I've been open about this. There are a lot of factors to consider if I could join or not. For example, nga yung contracts. I just signed my contract today, and there are brands, endorsements, relationship with brands na baka hindi maipush kung sumali ako because I would have to drop everything or pause everything. For short, I would be jobless for maybe a year or two if I continue to join. So, I don't think it's the smartest thing to do
Right now.
Right now.
But this is up against, itutuloy ko lang. This is up against, I'm sure, everybody telling you, sumali ka.
Yes.
Di ba?
Oh, yes.
Anywhere you go, in the pageant itself,
Yeah.
friends, I mean,
Yeah.
people who know you, Gabby, the time is now. So, yun yung, binabalanse mo.
Yes.
And you were saying?
Yun nga, Tito Boy, parang kung ako lang talaga and wala akong ibang isa-sacrifice, I would have joined. Maybe, I could have tried already until I reached the crown, right? But as of now, there are different priorities that I have to weigh as
Right.
well, now that I'm in the industry for 11 years. So, until now, it's still an unanswered thing in my head.
At huwag
But-
pilitin,
At huwag
di ba?
oo. I mean,
Oo.
may mga bagay na kahit na gustong-gusto natin para sa sarili natin, sinasabi na ni Lord at sinasabi ng destiny na hindi siya muna para sa'yo.
Okay.
So, I'm not closing my doors, definitely. I'm still open. But as of now, I have different things to prioritize.
Mabuhay ka, Gabby.
Thank you, Tito
Maraming
Boy.
salamat. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat, Tito Boy.
And all the best.
Mwah,
All
thank
the
you,
best.
Thank you, Tito Boy.
As we celebrate-
Please don't get tired of my phone
No,
calls.
I will not. As we celebrate the Gabby Garcia Day. Di ba? Ang ganda pakinggan. Naitay, Kapuso, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpapatuloy sa amin, sa inyong mga tahanan araw-araw. Be kind, make your nanay proud, and say thank you. And do one good thing a day and make this world a better place. Goodbye for now. God bless.